Welcome back to our channel. Dudu is here. Hi, say hi, Dudu. Yeah, guys, today is Sunday, and we're going grocery shopping.
Sunday, and it's just like Sunday.
Right? He wanted to go with us. He wanted to go with us, but he cannot. Like, look at guys, our house. We're ready to move next week. Yeah, our house is still a mess, and we're excited because we're gonna move all this stuff next week.
Hi
guys, we're getting ready to go to the store. Oh my god, it's like 1:08. It's really hot today. And you know what, guys? It's my day off today, and I'm really glad. I was so tired yesterday because it's like my day off is like last on the tail end because I work Monday to Saturdays, and my only day off is only Sunday. And yesterday we're kind of like busy. Yeah, guys, like I didn't vlog this morning because my friend like nagpo-photo shoot kami for her maternity shop. So yeah, like after that we go eat lunch. Yeah, I want that. Yeah, you need to say hi to the camera to our friends, family and friends.
Why is my window malfunctioning?
So yeah, guys,
What's up, everyone?
We have 2 more days. Oh my god, we're like excited. 2 more days.
Where am I at?
2 more days, babe.
Yep, 2 more days. For us to be in our badass crib.
Yeah, like I'm really excited to decorate
We're
our new
so
place.
excited. I'm
And
excited.
yeah, guys, like actually we've been to IKEA yesterday, but I was so tired and I don't feel like vlogging yesterday, so yeah.
Yeah, if no one's been to IKEA, y'all should check it out because that's a really
Yeah,
cool
but
store.
we're gonna come back to IKEA. I don't know when
We're
because
gonna come back
we're
because
trying to
it's
get
back.
cabinets for our new place. So yeah, we're gonna vlog it on the next time we go. So yeah, you need to stay tuned, and I have a coming vlog.
I'm super excited about the pools at our new place
And
too.
yeah, like I'm going to vlog to promote my cousin's design, which is the tail for Esther. So yeah, you can see all she made in the page. Like she has a Facebook page, and she has an Instagram page. So yeah, you can check it on my next vlog. I'm gonna vlog it this next week because she sells kimonos. So yeah, like she shipped me one, and I'm gonna vlog it next week. So you must wait for it.
Hey guys, we just got here.
Back again.
We're in Winco. This is our first time trying to check this store.
Figure we'd venture out here and see what it's all about.
Yeah, because this is gonna be near in our new place, like 10 minutes.
About 6 minutes, probably.
Yeah, kind of like that. So yeah, guys, let's
It's our
go.
new stopping ground.
Let's go.
Right down here.
Yeah, this is the Winco.
Yeah, about.
It says that they have really good food. I mean, meat.
I didn't know you were recording yet.
He got his Nike
Yeah.
mask. Sponsored by my
Dog. I'm playing.
cousin. a huge.
Look how cheap,
Yeah.
eh?
Ooh, look at. It's so cheap in here, guys. Try winkle. This is
Yeah, the
a-
store is nice.
yeah, look. The stores is huge. Like they have a lot of stuff in here.
Hey, baby, you want to go out?
This is like Costco, babe.
Yeah, I know, it's huge. See green beans, let me know.
Oh, here. Green bean. Do you want this cut or the full? I think they have a full one.
That Winco brand? That one that you handed me is Winco.
Yeah, they don't have the ones
I
that.
guess just on some of the stuff, huh?
Yeah. We're rolling. It's hot dog.
Do we need eggs or anything?
I'm not sure. It's done shopping.
Yeah, buddy.
Super hot today. We got our wine.
70 something.
70?
Yeah. It's just because we got all that other stuff.
Wow.
Stuff that ain't food.
Yeah. 70.
You guys think about Stella Rosa.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
the extra 20 right there.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot about that. Okay, we got our wine. Ooh, it's really hot.
Pour your mask off now.
Yeah, it's kind of like I'm gonna be having a stroke in here. It's really, really hot. Open.
We can go here in Target today. Like clothes. Alright.
My God, why is it so windy?
There's a tornado.
Tornado?
Fine.
No, it's not. Don't joke like that. Woo, it's raining. It's raining big and it's hailing, guys. Like really.
Thank
Like
God for
see,
car washes.
look
Cover
at
underneath one if you're near one.
the hail is so big. Oh my God! See? Oh.
Hey, babe, just don't get hit in the head by one.
We're in the car wash.
You can hear it, babe.
Yeah, it's loud. Oh my God, it's a shitty Sunday.
Hey, don't stay out there though, you don't want to get hit in the head.
Oh my god. It's really bad now, guys. Can you hear it? Like, that's hail snow. It's falling like big, like a stone. See, guys? That's it. It's big. Woo! Oh. We're going home because it's not raining anymore and it's not hailing, and still there's still thunderstorms. Yeah, we go to a car wash, so our car will not gonna be hit by hail, because hail earlier is really bad and we don't want our car to be
Beat up.
So yes, we're heading home.
Yep. This weekend went super fast.
Yeah, it's like
but that's okay, because we're getting ready to have a short work week and move into our new place.
Yeah, it's like my off is just like quick. Yeah, and we got 2 more days, guys. We have 2 more days, and you can see our new home. Yeah, we're gonna vlog it. We're gonna, fingers crossed, we're gonna have the key on this coming Tuesday. So yeah, we got 2 more days. Right?
Yep. Can't wait.
Yeah, we're really excited.
Can't wait for the fate.
Yeah, we're really excited, guys. So yeah, this is gonna be our new journey.
Our journey, because we'll end up in a gurney. I'm just playing, everyone.
Yeah, he's really
I'm a jokester.
yeah.
Or what you could say is I'm a trickster from
He's really goofy because we always watch the Supernatural.
Yeah, I'm a trickster.
So yeah.
Which we're gonna watch in a little bit.
Yeah, we're gonna watch a little bit.
Dean
yeah.
is the man!
Yeah, Dean is my crush. So you better watch it, guys, because it's really nice. I don't know if you like ghosts or supernatural movies and stuff.
Demons.
Or whatever. Yeah. So yeah, guys, I really recommend that movie. Not really movie.
TV series.
TV series.
Like 15 seasons.
Yeah. So we're in the season 4.
Yeah, we just started about 2 months ago.
Like, I don't know why we didn't know about that movie.
We figured we'd try it out because we figured if
But,
they're
yeah,
still making
it's really
seasons,
nice.
and now I'm 15, it has to be good.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of humorous too a lot of times.
Yeah. So, yeah, we bought wine for tonight.
To be honest, I totally forgot about that.
Yeah, so we're gonna be
get to it.
chill our
Better
night.
get to it.
So yeah, tomorrow it's gonna be a work day for us again, and then we're gonna work until Thursday, and then probably on Wednesday we're gonna try move our stuff in the
Our
new
boxes.
place, our boxes, and then on the Thursday night we're gonna finish. Oh my God,
Hey, see
the
that?
thunder is really
Magnificent.
Yeah, it's like fireworks.
Like
So,
firecrackers.
And on Thursday we're trying to sorry guys, because it's the light.
On Friday morning we're gonna do a full-blown earthing shot. so we can have our new place all good to go with all the food.
Yeah, because for like Saturday we're gonna
We
have
got family
our
coming in.
family coming. Yeah. So yeah,
And,
like his mom, like
Basically a
my.
housewarming party in a way.
It's not really a housewarming because kind of like
What are you talking about?
it's kind of like a family day because all our families were off.
Well, it's a housewarming because it'll be our third day to be in there or something like that.
Oh yeah, kind of like slash housewarming, but we're gonna do a housewarming, like a housewarming party.
I hear you, babe.
So yeah, like our family's gonna be there on Saturday. His niece too is in town, so he gonna be there with us. She gonna flip over. So I don't know if I can join her on the vlog, but yeah, I will
She
try
probably
to.
would.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to, so you can meet her. So yeah, that's like that's what we're doing on the coming. I'm gonna try if we can vlog. Probably on. Yeah, we're gonna do our vlog on this coming Tuesday because we were gonna show you like what's gonna be our new place as we tell you the last time on our vlog.
I guess I can park here.
Yeah guys, so that's it. We're already home. We're now here. We just got here at home. And for sure the babies were
They're probably hungry. Haven't they only
yeah,
eaten
they
once?
misses us.
Home.
Yeah, we're finally
We're
home.
eating noodle. We're finally home. We're chilling with our babies. Hi, say hi. You say hi. And our little Lucky. Hi, little Lucky. Say hi to the camera, boo boo. And we're drinking this wine tonight. It's our favorite. You need to try it, guys. Like, it's really a good wine.
Nike back.
You should all try these. And we're trying to find a movie.
Probably gonna watch Supernatural, but I'm just checking things out.
Yeah, Supernatural. Yeah, guys, sorry for the mess. You see, all our boxes is still in there in the same spot because we're ready to move. And we're trying to look for a movie.
So guys, that's all for today, and we're gonna chill, watch movies. So yeah, you need to follow or subscribe and like our videos if you're gonna like it, right?
Yep. And just leave comments, or they can leave comments, can't they?
Yeah, so you need to leave a comment or suggestion below the box.
Yeah, suggestions are good for us too.
Yeah,
If you got something in mind.
yeah, so that's all. Yeah, you need to wait for our next vlog, probably this coming Tuesday. Yeah, so gonna be the tour in our new home. So yeah guys, bye, and we'll see you on our next vlog.
Signing off now,
We're
folks.
signing off. Bye-bye.
Have a good night.
Have a good night.